going to show that it powers on. There's the power switch. Rotates. The belt there is rotating. Not sure how you really make it work properly, or if it does, but it does power on. Not sure what any of this does. I can't get, this does turn with some effort. Not sure if it's working properly or not, but it does power on. Comes with this crate of accessories. An owner's manual that has water damage. It is wet. And some other miscellaneous pieces in there. Start your bit in now, fellas. Whoop, whoop. A nice addition to any garage.